That's the timer. New day. I wish I was never bullied. I'm going to check out Paw Book. Okay. Oh no, my phone. Paw Book. Let me see who's online. Oh, it's one of the mean girls. It's Ginny. I'm gonna talk to her. Let's see. Oh, look, it's the popular. I mean, the loser. I can't believe her. I'm gonna say, why am I a loser? Can't you just be fair to other people? Because other people have feelings too. Send. You want to know why? You want to know why you're a loser? Go kill yourself. It's just because you're a loser. You don't belong nowhere, because no one likes you. No offense. Send. I like my life. And you know what else I'm going to say? Go kill yourself. You ugly, fat pig. Send. Offline. I can't believe her. I don't know why my friend has a sister that's popular and she's not popular. I mean, like, what the heck? Can't you just teach her manners? Honey, are you okay? I'm okay. Let me wipe this tear. Yeah, I'm okay. Are you ready to go to school? Let me pack up. Okay. You're lucky. You're almost late. In 5 minutes, the bus is gonna come. Here's your food. Here. Thanks. Have a great day at school and have a great breakfast. Okay, Mom. Ugh, fat. Gotta go. Oh no, I gotta get dressed. Well, at least I got new clothes yesterday. gonna wear this. And this. Gonna bring my money. Who cares if I make the mess? I'm gonna do. Hey, I like your clothes. Thanks. You know about last night? No, I was sleeping. What time? 9:30. Oh, I was asleep. I went to bed at 8. Oh, okay. Yeah. What's wrong? Nothing's wrong. Oh, okay. Well, class is about to start in like 5 minutes. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go to the restroom. I have to get something real quick. Okay. Hope no one sees me go to the restroom. Oh no. There. Gonna open. I wish I'd never done this, but I should. There. I got poison, and a napkin. I should have never even done this. It's such a bad idea. Here I go. What? Oh no. Phone. Throat? What does this say? Poison. No. Angelina. Hi. Let me see her messages. Ah, good thing she has no passcode. My sister made her commit suicide. Like, hey, stupid. I hate you. And I'm telling Mom, and I'm calling Mom. Hey Mom, it's me, Tracy, and my sister,